Hi, first graders, it's Mrs. Kara. We are going to learn about the prefix re today. Okay, when you add a prefix to a root word, the meaning of the word changes. Okay, remember a root word is a word that doesn't have anything added to it. Okay, I'm going to cover up these letters here. Here's a root word, right. There's nothing added to the end or the beginning. Okay, this is the word right, like we write with our pencil. Okay, now if we added the prefix re, it gives the word a new meaning. Now our word says rewrite. Well, if we rewrite something, that means that we are writing it again, right? The prefix re means again. So when we add the prefix re to a word, okay, it means again. I always like to think, I always like to remember that a prefix goes at the beginning of a word by think about a preview. When you go to the movies or when you watch a movie and you have to watch the previews before the movie starts. When do we see the preview? Before the movie, right? Okay, so just like we see the previews to movies before the movie starts, a prefix goes before the root word. Okay, there's a whole bunch of prefixes, but today we are only going to learn about the prefix re, which means again. Okay, so again, we can add the prefix re to a word to give it a new meaning, okay, to change the meaning of the word. Here's the word write. If we add the prefix re, it becomes rewrite, which means you write again. So whenever we add that prefix re, it gives the meaning again. Okay, let's take a look at some more root words here that we could add our prefix to. This word is read. Okay, remember good readers when if they read a page out of a story and they aren't sure what happened, they should always go back and reread, which means read that page again. Okay, when we add the prefix re to read, it means read again, reread. Okay, lock. Okay, let's see, when you leave your house, you lock the door. Okay, well, maybe right before you left, you had to unlock it to let the dog out. Well, then before you left, you had to make sure that you re-lock it. Okay, when we add the prefix re to lock, it becomes relock, which means lock again. Build. Let's say you built a big tower of blocks, okay, with a friend and you accidentally knocked them all over. Then you would have to rebuild your tower, which means build again. Okay, send. Let's say you sent a package to maybe a cousin that lived far away for their birthday and it got lost in the mail. Okay, then you would have to resend it, which would mean send it again. Play. We add the prefix re, it becomes replay. Okay, think about, or if you ever watched like a basketball game or a football game and a really good play happens on the field and they stop and replay it, you get to watch it again. Okay, you could see the play again, replay. Okay, so it happens again. Heat. Okay, if we add the prefix re, it becomes reheat. Okay, maybe you make a dinner and it's nice and warm and maybe one of your parents weren't home yet from work, so they couldn't eat it while it was warm. And then when they came home a little later, they had to reheat it. Think what that means. They had to heat it again. Okay, so when we add the prefix re to a word, it gives it the meaning again. Okay, this is something that you can remember while you're writing too. Okay, there's lots of words that you could include in your writing with the prefix re, and now you know why that prefix is added and what it means. Okay, all right. Thank you for learning with me. Now you can head over to Seesaw and complete your practice. Bye.